everyone, welcome to my channel Techie Sugan. In this video, we are going to learn about list comprehension. In the previous video, we have learned about what is list comprehension and what are the different methods for implementing list comprehension. In this video, we will be learning about different way for implementation of list comprehension. The first example what we are going to take is, we are going to take with the example where we are supposed to multiply a number with a list. Let us assume there is a list with the number 1, 2, 3, 4. If at all you want to make a multiples of 2 with this number, what I mean is I want the result as 2, 4, 6 and 8, where I want each and every number should be multiplied by 2. If at all I am doing such a way, what happens here? The entire list will be replicated twice. Here replication occurs. If I want to multiply with each and every digit, I need some iterator to iterate each and every element in a list. This can be written by using list comprehension by using the first method, where I can write x into 2 for x in, here the iterator is list. So let me use list here. Iterable object is list. So if I am mentioning such a way, you can notice this particular list is multiplied with the number 2. Also, you are clear with the first example. Now we'll move on to next example. In case of next example, from a string, we are going to extract an alphabet or a number. Let me assign a string name, assign Sugan 1, 2, 3. If at all I want to extract integers from this string, what I can do? I can able to write a list comprehension by using isDigit. For example, x for x in my iterable is name. Here I am going to apply a condition if x is digit. So what happens here? Each and every element will be iterated and it will be checked for a condition whether it is a digit. If at all it is a digit, it will be forming a list. Clear? The same way you can segregate the alphabet by applying the method isAlpha. By applying this method, you can able to segregate the alphabet from the string. Also, you are clear with the second example, extracting number or alphabet from a string. By using this one, I can able to extract either a number or an alphabet from the given string. And the next example, what I am going to say is to change the cases of a word in a list. Let us assume there is a list and this particular list consists of a data, apple, orange. Clear? If at all I want to change this word to uppercase, what I can do? I can iterate by using same method, list comprehension. For each and every iteration, I am supposed to implement dot upper method. For x in, my iterable object is list. So for x in list, what happens here? Each and every word will be iterated and during your iteration, you are going to apply dot upper method. So what happened? Each and every word will be converted to uppercase. This is how you are supposed to change the case of the each and every word in a list. I hope so you are clear with this example. Next we will move on to next example. Your next example is implementation of list comprehension, nested list comprehension. Let me assign a nested list where the first sublist, let it be 1, 2, 3 and second sublist, let it be A, B and C. Let it be this second sublist and your third sublist, let it be a string 1, 2, such a way. Clear? Now I want to extract the first element of each and every sublist. What I mean is 1, A and ONE should be your output. In such cases, how can I write this list comprehension? Make use of this same method where you are going to iterate by each and every element of your sublist. What you are supposed to mention is, you are supposed to extract a 0th index of each and every sublist. So if you are implementing such a way, you can notice that 1 will be extracted from the first sublist, A will be extracted from your second sublist and ONE will be extracted from your third sublist. Clear? This is how to access your nested sublist. I hope so you are clear with this example, and next we'll move to next one, where addition of two lists. Let us assume there are two lists. The first list is with the value 1 and 2, and let me assign one more list with the value 3 and 4. Now I am going to add these two sublists where I can add such a way x plus y. I am supposed to iterate each and every sublist for x in list 1, for y in list 2. If you are accessing such a way, you can notice that each and every element of your list 1 is added with list 2. So your output will be 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 5, 6. Clear? Such a way I can add with this two list. I want to add the corresponding element of two list. In such cases, how it can be implemented? It can be implemented in such a way, list of ith value plus list 2 of ith value. Keep in mind that if you want to add the corresponding elements, you are supposed to have one condition that where both the lists should be of same size. I'll have range of length of list 1 or list 2, it's up to you. Clear? Also you're clear with this one? Here this example is to add the corresponding element of both the list. So what happened? That it will be iterated till your length of your list. So what happens here? Corresponding element will be added. 1 with 3 will be added. 2 with 4 will be added. So 4 and 6 will be printed in your output screen. Clear? And we'll go with one more example where we are supposed to form the unique pairs from the both the list. List 1 and list 2 is there. I am supposed to form the unique pairs by using both the list. How I can write an example? If at all you are forming a list, it can be unique pairs in the sense I can be able to mention my expression as my tuple for x in L1 the same way for y in L2. Here you are supposed to apply a condition where unique pairs in the sense where x and y value should not be equal. So I can form such a way where x and y value is not equal, I am supposed to form a pair. Clear? I hope so you are clear with this. Whenever the x and y values are equal, no pairs will be formed. In this list, there is no chance of occurrence. The reason is the values are already unique. If at all the list is common, you can able to find out the difference. Clear? And we will go with next example. And next example is using of list to comprehension by using function. Let us declare a function, and let me declare a function name as square. Okay, and let me pass a x value as parameter to it, and inside this a basic operation let me do. I am going to do x into x. This is the operation I am going to perform here. Now I need to form a list comprehension by using this function. So I can make use of this particular function square, and I can pass a value to this function. Here I can iterate it for x in range. I can pass a range of value here 1 to 11. Clear? Now what happens? If I am executing this statement, a range of value 1 to 10 will be passed to this square one by one, and whatever the value you are passing, it will be doing the particular number into number will be done. So now if at all you are executing this program, you can notice that 1 is this 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, so on till 10 square will be displayed. I hope so you are clear with this example. If at all you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.